Evervest Home Buyers is a family-owned and operated local home buying company. We've been in business over 20 years. We're hardworking people, just like you. Pick up the phone and call and text us about the sale of your home. You're going to be dealing directly with the person who makes the purchasing decisions. The benefit of this is getting a fast, fair offer for your home without having to deal with a bunch of different people or jump through a bunch of hoops. Many of our clients are uneasy about the sale of their home, and that might be because it's outdated, messy, or needs repairs. In the over 20 years we've been in business, we've seen it all, so let that be our problem, not yours. Our only objective is to give you a confidential, discreet, fair, all-cash offer for your home in a manner in which makes you feel at ease. We approach the home buying process from a construction background and a lot of construction experience. By doing so, we'll know exactly what needs to be done to your home and what doesn't. And by doing that, we'll be able to offer you the most for your home. Selling your home can be a very stressful experience. We realize this as we've dealt with hundreds of people in all walks of life, all types of different situations. We're here to make that process as comfortable as possible. I'm Scott Dolson, licensed broker and lead buyer here at Evervest Home Buyers. Call us today for a no obligation cash offer.